Hey guys, so my dog has a message to you guys.
Hey guys, I want you to subscribe to Barbarian Soda. Keep things bye.
Monster Chihuahua. Are you gonna lick people to death? You're gonna kill them with your cuteness. Look at the adorableness. Look how adorable she is.
Who is that, Fuzzy? Who is that? Can you put your paw to the screen? Give me a high five, guys. High five. Give her a high five.
So I'm gonna go now. She has to go back downstairs because she went potty.